Hey guys, I have been on a house making kick recently. So this little cottage has a little cemetery in front of it, and this can be made really easily. This is done on your Cameo. If you want it much bigger, of course, you could do it on your Plus. But look how cute and darling all the details are. If you're not part of my Silhouette VIP group, you need to make sure and join. It's totally free. You just join at karinagardner.com, and I send out a free file every single week, just so that you guys will cut, because it'll be fun. And I'm gonna show you how to make this right now. Okay, let's get started here, you guys. So you can see that I've already started gluing on the windows and the door to the main piece. This is actually very simple. I'm just gonna show you really quick. Use stick glue. Stick glue is your friend in this case. So your piece should have little score lines right here, just like that. And you just want to glue the back, not the actual like window openings, right? And then your cutouts should make it so that it is actually super easy for you to find where to place it. That's why I like cutouts in the main building. I don't always do them, because that way you have a little more control over creativity. But if you're like me, like I just struggle to line things up beautifully. So sometimes it's just nice to have your cutouts all ready for you and then just glue where those cutouts are. Just makes it simple and nice. I'm using the stick glue that's purple and it dries clear, and I really, really like it, okay? All right, so once you've done that, I also like stick glue because you can reposition it for a little while and get it where you need it to be. Okay, once you've done that, let's go ahead and I'm gonna put these pumpkins on last because I'm gonna pop dot them. Let's make the roof line. So I've done mine every other color, and you're gonna use hot glue for this. You're just gonna fold this in half, and then you're going to hot glue the next piece on. So I just put usually a line of hot glue on either side here, and just place it down like this, okay? So layer one. Now if you wanted to crimp these up, you could. I'm not going to. I'm just gonna have it be really flat and clean. And another line here. You can see I'm not being so perfect. Pretty easy, right? Okay, so that's your top. You do have a couple of these pieces, and all you have to do is fold them up. So you've got this little cemetery piece like this, okay? Pretty easy. And then you have a fence line piece like this, okay? And these are going to, they should technically line up in such a way, like if you glued them together down at the bottom, and I'm gonna do that right now, you should line them up, because then you get a little bit of a pop dot effect or a pop effect. Can you guys see that? So it's just a little bit in front, and then you get that fence line. So I am gonna go ahead and glue these two together, and we've basically done all the prep work. So now it's just putting together the actual cottage, which is super simple, okay? All right, so those two pieces are together. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and fold this back like this. A little trickier if you've already put on your pieces like me. And usually my pieces don't stick out as much as this one, but I was experimenting with something new. So you can see I'm just folding everything in, just like that. All right, and once you have everything folded in, you're just going to bring it up. It's like building a box. So you can see here, if you just glue this one side, it will start shaping this cottage. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of glue on this whole side, the roof and the side, and go ahead and put it in place, just like this, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. You can see like the actual hard part about this is just cutting everything out. But once everything's cut out, I think it is so fun to put this guy together. All right, next one is Sorry, I'm adjusting those. Next one is go ahead and finish the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and put glue on the roof and the side here. There you go. And here and here. All right, cottage built. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so now easy peasy, we're gonna add the roof to it. So I'm just gonna put a bit of glue on both sides here, and then I'm just going to try to center this the best that I can, just like that. And you get this great overhanging cottage. It's kind of spooky looking. Mine's a little bit long and yours might be too, so I'm just going to crimp this up a little bit. I said I was gonna do it flat, but here I am crimping it, which is why I always wait to glue until, you know, just at the top, because you never know if you'll end up crimping the roof line. This would also be pretty if you wanted to ink up all your edges. Okay, last little bit. I've got all these little pumpkins that I'm gonna add to the house, and you need to glue this piece right out from underneath the bottom of the cottage, okay? So it's pretty simple, and you could make it go further out if you wanted or further in. It's up to you. So I'm going to I'm not gonna do it exactly centered, but I'm gonna do it pretty close. Can you guys see? I'm probably not showing you as well as I could be. Okay, here you go. So I'm gonna glue it in just a second. First thing I'm actually going to do, actually no, I am gonna go ahead and glue it on. So I'm gonna put glue on the bottom, and I'm just going to place it like that. And then I'm using these little square pop dots. I just think they're little and they're helpful. So just find a really small pop dot to use, and it should work out great. Now, if you cut this has been cut on a Cameo, but if you cut this on like a plus, you will be able to make a much bigger cottage. So feel free to mix it up and make your sizing bigger if you would like, because then you can create a really large size cottage, which is really cool. Looks really good on your fireplace mantle. Okay, so the placement of your pumpkins is totally your call. You can see I've put mine right here up in the front, okay? And I'm gonna place the rest of them around the building. It's just to give it some color. Okay, and that's it. All finished up, cute little cottage. If you want to see more, you can finger press this up even more, and I'm probably gonna do that just because I really do want to see this cute little front piece, and I've made these eaves quite low. And that is it, you guys. Cute little cottage with a cemetery attached to it. Cute little eaves. If you haven't joined my SVG or my Silhouette VIP group, you can join at karinagardner.com. I send out free files every single week because I just want you creating with me. And make sure and like and subscribe to the channel so you can get all the great tutorials and all the fun stuff that I'm up to. Okay, see you guys.